Morning,
Good
student.
morning, students.
I'm Shiven Dubey, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department, Professor at TS College Bhopal, CH Group. Now we have one topic of cloud computing, which is security. So let's discuss what is cloud security, because we have to discuss about the cloud computing. So this is the one of the topic of our subject, cloud computing. So security is a major concern in the cloud computing. Even security is a major concern in every service model also. So there is a security is the major concern in cloud computing. Data in cloud should be stored in encrypted form. This one is the security concern. To restrict client from accessing the shared data directly, proxy and brokerage services should be also employed. So how to provide the security? That means security planning. How to apply on this? Before deploying a particular resources to cloud, one should need to analyze several aspects of the resources, such as select resource that need to move to the cloud and analyze its sensitivity to risk. Other one is consider cloud service models such as IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. These models, which is the infrastructure as a service and platform as a service and software as a service. You also know that these models require customer to be responsible for the security at the different level of the service. Other one is the consider the cloud type to be used, such as private, public, or hybrid. This is also known as community cloud. So that understand the cloud service provider's system about data storage and it transfer into and out of the cloud. The risk in cloud deployment mainly depends upon the service models and cloud type. Risk in the cloud deployment means what? This is the basically depend on the service model, which we have to use the service model, which we have to use the cloud type, private, public, or community level. Okay. So security boundaries. What are the security boundaries? A particular service model defines the boundaries between the responsibilities of service provider as well as customer. Cloud Service Alliance, which is known as CSA, stack model, define the boundaries between each service model and shows how different functional units related to each other. So this is the pictorial representation of our web service works or CSA model. We have to see in here three security boundaries. First one is software as a service security boundaries. Next one is platform as a service security boundaries, and third one is infrastructure as a service boundaries. You have to notice that in this diagram, in software as a service security boundaries covered by cover your presentation mobilities and platform also, as well as applications which we have to use in our services. And platform as a service security boundaries have to cover the integration and middleware part of your service model. Next one is infrastructure as a service security boundaries covered as the API, core connectivity and delivery, abstraction of your service model, as well as hardware. Hardware is the main concern of your infrastructure as a service security boundaries, as well as facilities also. Key point of the CSA model: infrastructure as a service is the most basic level of service with platform as a service and software as a service. Next two above level of services. Moving upward, each of the service inherits capabilities and security concern of the model. Infrastructure as a service provides the infrastructure, and platform as a service provide the platform development environment, and software as a service provide the operating environment. Other one is infrastructure as a service has the least level of integrating facilities and integrated security, while software as a service has the most. This model describes the security boundaries at which cloud service provider responsibilities and the customer responsibilities begin also. There's no difference between that. Any security mechanism below the security boundaries must be built into the system and should be maintained by the customer. Each service model has security mechanisms. The security needs also depend upon where these services are located in terms of private, public, or hybrid cloud. So this these are the key points, important point of the CSA model. So that's enough for the introduction of your security in your cloud computing. And in next class, we have to discuss the data security in cloud. Thank you.